I'm beyond the fridge. I'm beyond life. Let's have Subway and we'll call it a night. I'm back again, and as you can see, I got Subway. I was just craving it. And so I thought, why the hell not, Mama? Why the hell not? And you know, you guys know me, you know I can't just order one thing. So, let's get into this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's the cold cut. Oh, fuck me. That looks pretty damn good, if I did say so myself. Look at that. The reason I hadn't ate Subway in a while was because the last time I ordered Subway, it tasted really weird. And I got really turned off by it. This is fresh. They put lots of veggies. A little skimpy on the spinach. Also, for some reason on the app, jalapenos isn't an option, but they got them. I think that's just, they're denying me. Now, apparently, I thought Subway had these new subs out. I didn't see them on the menu. Green Goddess or something. Maybe it's something I need to go in the store to get. Needs a bit pepper or something. Okay. I'm gonna save this one for later. I just hope it doesn't get soggy. Don't make a mess. Craving sandwiches like I usually am. And usually I'm always getting neutral. I'm always getting burgers, so I thought now that was the cold cut that I just had there. I'm trying to do this video all in one take so I don't have to do any merging of videos together. Now this one is not toasted. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, what a beauty, guys. I just gotta look at this. Oh, she's a pretty one, isn't she? Well, I think I'm just gonna do one of this too. Oh, that looks beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god. That is a beautiful looking sub. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh. Mm. 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 I'm already getting full though. I just wanted to get the deal because, well, it's kind of stupid actually. If you spend $20, you get free delivery, but the delivery was only, I think, $1.99 anyways, or something like this. Mm. Veggies are falling out. Mm. So yeah, it's really hot here. I had a headache earlier. Laid down for a nap. Pumped a whole bunch of water into me. Got to stay hydrated in this heat. Mm. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna go watch my favorite show alone on my phone. I don't have Netflix these days. I don't have anything. Mm. See, it's something about the meats in the Italian BMT they're like salty. Oh my god, guys, I'm so full. Mm. Mm. Oh, Mama's full. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh my god, I'm so full. I ate way too fast, guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna go into a food coma. God, I look hard. I look like I've had a hard life. That's me, though. Hi, Big Townsend. Dark Circle Townsend. Mm. Mmm. Oh my god, what a mess I'm making. Oh. Oh god. I am fucking full. Oh, I don't want to force this, guys. Mm. Oh. Thanks for watching. Oh, making a mess here. Oh. She's full sideways. If sideways could be full.